friends, welcome back. Today's topic is about a sensitive subject that most people struggle with and are afraid to talk to anyone about, and that is anxiety. Everyone experiences anxiety in life. If we didn't, then we wouldn't be human. But when anxiety symptoms occur daily for more than a few months, then that is an anxiety disorder. The symptoms for this differ for every individual. Did you know there are 6 types of anxiety disorders? There is general, emotional, social, separation, panic, and phobia. Regardless of the type, the most common signs and symptoms of anxiety are concentration issues, excessive worrying, sleep issues, insomnia or restlessness, shortness of breath, fatigue, and negative thoughts or feelings. So, I'm going to share some quick but natural ways to relieve some anxiety symptoms, and most of them work in just a couple of minutes. What I share today comes from personal experience from people that are close to me with anxiety and the research I've done in order to help them, and now you. Please note that I'm not a doctor, but only sharing natural tips on what I know works. First tip is to breathe. You actually want to breathe from your diaphragm, not your chest, because that activates your body's response to relaxation. You want to sit or stand upright and put one hand on the small of your back and the other hand on your belly. Then you want to take a deep breath for 3 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, and then exhale out. You should feel your belly expanding and your back pushing out. Do this 3 times. Next tip, be present. This means assessing how you're feeling at the moment. For example, I'm out of breath, I'm feeling anxious, I'm trembling. Once you start tapping into how you're feeling at the moment, then you'll start calming down because now you're being present with your emotions. Once you recognize the symptoms, then revert your thought to something else. Look at an object like a little child. Close your eyes and remember a good memory. This will immediately stop the symptom you're experiencing. Next tip, awareness. You want to figure out what's causing this anxiety. Is it some deep-rooted emotion that's buried inside? Or is there something currently happening in your life that's causing this? For example, change of job, loss of someone, or getting married. When we're worried or anxious about something, we take a potential reason for concern and make it this big in our head. This process will help you target the reason causing the anxiety, and you'll be more aware of why you're feeling anxious. Knowing the root cause can help you deal effectively with the emotions surrounding the reason in order to reduce anxiety in an effective way. Before, heat. The sensation of warmth helps reduce anxiety, release muscle tension, and alter the internal circuit that controls our mood. Put a heat wrap on your neck and shoulders for 10 minutes, sit out in the sun, or take a nice hot relaxing bath. You will feel this work within the few minutes of doing this. Tip number 5, sound therapy. There are many benefits to this, like lowering the heart rate, blood pressure, and anxiety. When you feel anxiety coming on, have a playlist of songs ready for the episode, like some calming music. I personally listen to the sounds of waves on the beach or birds chirping when I feel anxious. This immediately puts me in a calmer state. The next tip is to take natural supplements. This is the most effective alternate to prescribed medication like Valium, which is a drug that most doctors prescribe for anxiety. By taking natural supplements, you can prevent and reduce anxiety to a point where you will not need any prescribed medications. Not to mention the burst of energy you'll get, which also helps combat fatigue. I cannot live without my natural supplements because they help me with my mood, sleep, energy, and stress levels. I hope you find these remedies useful and can start using them on a daily basis. They only take a few minutes a day, and with regular practice, you can perfect these techniques and find that they can really help you with anxiety symptoms. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video.